We're here at Innovative Car Sound with another remote start Viper 5305V on this 2014 F-150. Lock and unlock, full security. For the remote start, we hit the start key one time and the engine cranks. Here is the spare remote. Lock, unlock, pop trunk, remote start. This type of vehicle comes with this kind of key, so we install the necessary adapters to make it remote start with a transponder chip in the key. We also set up a full base package to the factory radio. There's the radio. Base control knob is right down here. The amplifier is mounted in the back. Box is underneath the seat. This is the Alpine monoblock amp. This is everything that went into the truck. The Viper remote start 5305V, two 10-inch kicker comps, and the Alpine monoblock bass amp. We have everything car audio, remote starters, basic alarms, HID and LED lighting. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday from 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. And we'll see you guys on the next one.